So we are up early and everybody miserable. This is a real miserable family. If you'll find out pretty soon. The kids are great. Kids are all awesome kids. Well, except for the baby, he's like his mama.
Mom, I need help.
So we're gonna take you on a little tour within our community. We live not way upstate though, but upstate New York, of course, and we live in the Hudson Valley area. There's the miserablest of them all. I tell you, you don't understand. Everybody in a car, yeah? Yeah, look, man. Watch him, man. Father, right? Queen Misery. She didn't even adjust this chair for me.
You want this one? No?
Hi.
So we are going to some sightseeing this morning. It's persons who are familiar with the Dutchess. We're going in Beacon area. That's the location that we're going to view today, so you guys can get snaps of what we're doing. I mean, Beacon, I like Beacon because there's a lot of things you can do there, fun thing, you can walk, it's very, as I said, it's very sightful where you can observe and just enjoy. It's for the family, so not just for the family, couples, everybody. All right, so we're about to leave. We're just leaving the house. This is the driver today. That's
Reddit. Coming up to our building, I don't know if you guys know nesting dolls.
Those buildings made of trees.
They're just older buildings.
It is not old. It is.
But it's like, it's
pretty. It's just pretty. It's a pink building.
It's a big pink building.
Yeah.
If you go in there,
out.
actually, we could actually go in there.
We can.
Yeah, we can go in there.
I've never been in there, and I've lived in this town
what they
for
have
years.
is like dolls inside of dolls inside of dolls inside of dolls.
Oh, those things? I like those.
Yeah.
You see?
So we can probably see if we can see if the owner them open. We don't know how things stay since this situation, but we can check and see if they're open and just show you
That's
a
pretty
little
cool.
bit about
Imagine you guys are experiencing at the same time. I'm my first time experiencing what the nesting dolls are. I've never owned one. I've never been in the building, and this is our first time, which is cool. Shadell, we just let easy kids. May I tell you, as them see something them want it. Me don't know them things that money must grow up on tree. We're saying we're going to look what is inside. If we do want to buy one, maybe a next time, but that's not what we're going to buy today, okay?
This is definitely interesting. There are dolls everywhere. And of course, how you know how nesting dolls work. There's a doll within a doll within a doll. She actually showed us just a simple example. We're probably gonna get one for the kids, and trust me, it's right in the back of our yard.
They have Russian hats too, Penny.
So if you notice these hats you would always see in movies, we're probably not gonna mess with them, but
Yeah, look. I put on the green
you
one.
put on one, put on.
I'm standing under the green one. I can work with Angela Jolie, and she did a video. I can't remember the video that she did, but it was based on they were in Russia.
But this is amazing stuff, man. Right in the back of our yard, man. Right in the back of our yard. The experience was definitely interesting. I imagine the family feels the same way.
Yeah, that's super cool. Oh,
Definitely
Daddy, even
never
Michael
seen
Jackson.
anything like that.
Yeah, do these ones outside.
Daddy,
And
that's Michael Jackson.
they still want to do more.
No, because these are the new characters.